Hello, I would like to welcome you to my channel, Tech Review. Once again, it's been a quite long time without making a video, but first and foremost, I want to welcome you to a new year, 2021, and I want to thank you for your amazing support which you have been giving me through comments, through feedback. So today I want to take you through where I've come from, through everything which you have been showing me through comments, how you have been commenting, how I've been sharing ideas through technology. So thank you so much. Today what I want to share with you is about just few things which you have been asking me through my videos. And to those who have been mostly asking me about how you can start a YouTube channel, how you can start anything like a business, how you can earn, this is just something simple, because to you who have been following me from my start, from my beginning, you saw how I started my videos without a good camera, without a PC. It was all really through struggle, but because I couldn't give up, I tried all my best. That's how I managed to reach where I am with the subscribers I have, with the views I have. It's all through the struggle, through the believing that I can do it and I can make it. And this was all about the love of technology. I loved what I was doing, so that's what pushed me. That's what pushed me to reach where I am. So what I want to urge you is, if you have something which you want to do, for example, you want to start a YouTube channel, just don't hesitate or don't wait for the right time, because the right time will never come. Just what you can do is to wake up and you say, today I want to start this thing, and you do it immediately. That means the moment you start it, like today, that's when you will realize that this one is necessary, this one is necessary. Slowly you buy one by one. I will show you my studio which I started with. It was nothing like a studio. It was just only I had only a camera. I was using some phone called Techno. It was really a struggle, but as where I am right now and where I'm taking you, surely it's to be amazing. As of now, I haven't started gaining from my YouTube, but that wasn't my dream. My dream was to create something which will push me to understand more technology and to learn more stuff, more inventions. And right now what I'm trying to do is to create a studio whereby I can manage to review all new techs or new inventions, whereby they can invite me, whoever is for example assembling, is doing anything concerning technology, can call me. So that's my strategy of now. And again, I'm trying to create what we call a electronic store, whereby we always get the stuff to review. So guys, always just know, expect much from my channel, and I will continue to show you how my progress is with my side businesses. But this will always be about technology. Don't expect much from me which is side of technology. So yeah, so I continue to thank you guys. Thank you for your support and your knowledge which you have been sharing through comments, through feedbacks. I thank you so much. But with those who have been asking me regarding their business which they can do, guys, as long as you love anything and you believe in it, just don't wait, just start now. Slowly you will manage to reach where you are going, where you expect to be in near future, what you want to achieve. So please do that. And another thing, I want to thank you for your interactions through comments. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Together we shall make it. Thank you for watching. If you have anything you want to ask me, you can reach up to me through comments or through my email, which is namarapple@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Love you.